Welcome to this lesson on informal email writing. In this series, we will learn how to write warm, friendly emails to the people you care about. Whether you're reaching out to a friend, catching up with family, or staying connected with people you know well, this lesson will teach you the essential skills and phrases you need. An informal email is a personal and casual message written in a relaxed, friendly tone to people you know well. Unlike formal business emails, informal emails have no strict rules. You can use contractions like I'm and your casual language and express your emotions freely. These emails are commonly sent to friends, family members, close colleagues, and old classmates. The main purpose is to share news, catch up on life, make plans, or simply stay connected with the people you care about. Every informal email has 4 main parts. First, you write a greeting to say hello using their name. Second, you include an opening line where you ask how they are or mention why you are writing. Third, comes the main body where you share your news, ask questions, or discuss plans. Finally, you end with a closing where you sign off warmly with your name. Following this simple structure ensures your email is clear and easy to read. Let's look at different ways to greet someone in an informal email. Hi, followed by their name, is the most common and casual way to start. Hello is slightly more formal but still friendly. Hey is very casual and works best for close friends. Dear is more traditional but still warm and personal. You can also say hi there without using their name, which is friendly and welcoming. Or you can use time-specific greetings like good morning or good evening. Choose the greeting that matches your relationship with the person. After your greeting, you need an opening line to ease into your email. You can start by asking how they are, saying something like, "How are you? Hope you're doing well." You might mention that it's been a long time, saying it's been so long since we last talked. You can share why you're writing, such as "I was thinking about you and wanted to catch up." If you have good news, you can say, "I have some exciting news to share with you." Or if you need something, try, "I wanted to ask you about something." These opening lines help create a warm connection before you share the main content. The main body is where you express yourself. You can share updates about your life, talk about recent experiences, and mention interesting events that happened to you. Ask questions to show interest in their life. Inquire about their family, ask how they are doing and what their plans are. You might want to make plans together, so suggest meeting up, discuss upcoming events, or coordinate activities. Don't forget to express your feelings. Share your emotions, show empathy for their situation, and offer support if they need it. The main body is all about two-way communication and connection. To end your email, you need a closing line and a sign-off. For closing lines, you can use expressions like "looking forward to hearing from you," which shows you want a response. You can say, "Let me know what you think," when asking for their opinion. Use "hope to see you soon" if you want to meet up, or try "take care and stay in touch" to show you value the relationship. For sign-offs, you can write "love" if they are very close to you. Use "best wishes" for a warmer feel. Cheers is casual and friendly. Or simply write "your friend" to be personal. End with your name. Now let's look at a complete informal email example. It starts with "Hi Sarah," a friendly greeting. The opening is "How are you? I hope everything is going well with you and your family," which shows care and interest. In the main body, the writer shares new information about their job, saying they started last month and are enjoying it. They ask a question about Sarah's apartment and suggest meeting for coffee. The closing line is "Let me know when you're available," which invites a response. Finally, they sign off with "Take care" and their name Emma. This example shows how all the parts come together in a real email.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.